The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher people climb, their colors show.
Be kind to people you meet on your way up. You'll meet again when you have empty cup. Some people love fame, think life as a game. Licky, licky, what's sweet, you're on your belly. Some people act tough, strutting their stuff, but look what happened when you call them bluff. Some love to see their name across the sky, but not let me wonder why them eyes so dry. Some people date the paparazzi for validation to feed their insecurity. The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher people climb, their color shows. The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher people climb, their color shows. Some people seek high status, always the first to be seen, heard, and have the last word. Some people are narcissists, it's about the likes, and they'll do anything to be in the spotlight. Some people wearing the tears of a clown because a laughy, laughy love to lay down. Some love show off, gotta have the last laugh, but time separates the wheat from the chaff. The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher people climb, their color shows. Be kind to people you meet on your way up. You'll meet again when you have empty cup. Some people gotta be the center of attention, constantly seeking preps and validation. Some people are the life and soul of the party, yet they are afraid of their own company. Some people suck the oxygen out the room, but lack substance to fill the vacuum. We all need to take a look at ourselves for spiritual, physical, and mental health. The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher people climb, their color shows. Be kind to people you meet on your way up. You'll meet again when you have empty cup. The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher the monkey climb, the more exposed. The higher people climb, their color shows.
The monkey climb, the more exposed.
Please take a moment to like, share, or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from PATWAH Media.